The Ford government making another labor announcement today. It's the third one this week, and it definitely signals the premier is hoping to win the upcoming election by painting himself as pro-worker. Today's announcement is designed to help immigrants work in the jobs they were trained for.
Unlocking the full potential of skilled newcomers is crucial to building back a stronger province.
According to Labour Minister Monty McNaughton, only 25% of newcomers work in a job that match their skills. He promises the government will cut red tape and bureaucracy so engineers, accountants, architects trained in other countries can work here, although it could take up to 2 years to implement. On Monday, the minister announced greater protection for temporary workers. Yesterday, he promised truckers and delivery drivers access to washrooms.
Build back better bathrooms.
A government official confirmed to City News it's a deliberate plan to appeal to workers. It's also the turf the NDP have long claimed as its own, and this strategy is not sitting well with them.
This was the government that the first thing they did was cut the minimum wage. They cut the paid sick days. They have disrespected healthcare workers across this province during a pandemic. Their record speaks for itself. And they are clearly trying to reinvent themselves with, a public relations exercise on labor. We're the party who stands with workers.
The government source tells City News more labor announcements are coming. Today's announcement is being criticized because it does not include foreign-trained healthcare workers.
I think where this bill really misses the mark is something Ontario Greens have been calling for, is helping to address the nursing shortage by, looking at accrediting foreign-trained nurses.
The government says that is a more complex process, and it is consulting on it. The announcement comes during a week the premier has been under fire for comments he made that only hardworking immigrants are welcome. His Labour minister dismissed the controversy.
Actions speak louder than words. Our government is moving forward with an ambitious agenda with a decisive action to help immigrants.
Tomorrow, the government will announce how it's moving out of Step 3 and relaxing COVID restrictions further, and the timing around all of that. That means restaurants and gyms will finally find out when they will be able to operate at full capacity.